Majumuriro Ndizi TV annonce sober than na quarantine semesa ya Amayia ya Chinsa na Ibere egaroli litko lya Jumaine ligenya satu anjiri tumira na semesa ya Amayia tarikini na Ibere umutinyo yo kabero mwaka wa 2020 nesato ekera manga na wateka imena isko ya Gusii no kubori kwa na irachinga keiche chabene oraya bwatia aye Chinsa Isano Ibere na atekere ko ruirianyi moja sugusu amo na bosongo ni godorojena murai bwense Dr. William Ruto bono niga umeranire n'ababunge anene bali bachorire kurwase kiama gyo DM kurwase rwa Nyanza anene abamanyi bage siasa nibo baderuna eyene yarenjira yamo umurai bwense Dr. William Ruto adagete ko nintamagoro umurai wa mubwasi myuro moja wa Kenya Raila Odinga anekera endete gutwara emisangano ao ime yense ya Kenya boiga barai ao bakorawa boigo n'umurai bwense Dr. William Ruto nigo bagendete gutuma ngora yabamo n'amagombo ojian senteri ya Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, Cyprus na Israel kubatikana no motenga cy'umutindi uriyo betase Chinsa mejo anene urirete abantanga kirubusato gosiri obogima bwaba yungati yali agendete kwenekiwa sense engima akone 92 gutumengora yito kucyase bari ba Syria magima asense meli ya Turkey kundo majimore na kwale ni asenjera ya bene obena nje goikomwe nyona naboko na utubadi asense mo yemitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News Digital pega sense mo ya YouTube naboko tonyora Ndizi TV News ko chingaki to tweet @Ndizi TV News bo kerenga kiao twakialia ni wedera se namba erase skrini igora Joshua Auta ni gakwene kina okorete wedera senjererie ibanyererio boiga bugari nyanjama ene kibuna agochiri wedera se Mario Yamaya amone chibicha na njengo ya retere Brighton Makori. Keroli rituko lya kabera se kiraskiriya kiandago so asijskuru aho imeyense ya Kenya nigo bona bali mu banene be gisukuru cy'isecondary aho baendete gote abuna nigo baendete kwarigania boroki wabu ya senjera endonge umwarimu manene bw'eskuru ya Amoigesu Chemsumanyi nigateruna nigo bagendete mu video yibuya anene kwarigania boroki wabu bagosoa ya sekirasi ya kiandase skuru nigateruna skuru yi nigo bono yerobereti buya akwene kibona abana abo gosaboroki abo aboroki wabu kibagosoa skuru konyora bale alibaganiti asemia kene erebosio.
Those ones who have not reported, we are still prepared and ready to receive them so that we can be able to facilitate the admission for these learners so that they can be able to settle in our school. We may need to expand facilities like library, that will be very critical as the number is increasing. Our school has an enrollment of 2,400 students. That means that we need to expand our facilities so that we are able to accommodate and settle these students and be able to have easy time to implement the curriculum, and we still have very high hopes.
Kurwase skuru ya Amoigesu nigo tokwenda wikase skuru ya Mabuko asebo gotoka nyaru mwarimu monene bwe skuru yo Lawans Juma oyote rune skuru yo nero nigendete kwarigania aboroki wabo bekirasikia kianda kule nigateruna abange babo bali bagosoase skuru yo bali bakurukurwa semi kimetaka asebona abolira basamaria bayagweso kena okonya abana abo naboronyara bakugenda na masomo abo ase skuru yo.
We have so many total orphans that have just reported amongst the ones that are continuing in Form 1, 2, and 3. From 2, 3, and 4. Actually, we have some that we are hosting the school freely without paying the school fee because they cannot manage totally. So I've accommodated them so that they can get their free meals in school, go to class and learn. Normally organized with the guidance and counseling department and some teachers so that we contribute some little money to give them their shopping, their personal effects, so that they can also get education. Because what we're giving is a tentative. The long-term solution should come from the CDF committee. Once these people have been identified from primary school, the needy orphans, once identified from primary school, the CDF committee should develop a policy where from primary school they are followed into the university, so that they don't pay school for them at primary, secondary, and then they abandon them there. So we should follow up these orphans into the universities. I think that is the best way of helping these orphans, to give them fit, they can stand on strongly in future. But left in between, like that money is thrown to the lake.
Tugareta senseme yejisemi nigo ensemo ya baiboli banyarire bagotogia borokia abejiskuru aho hanene kero bagendete kuira abana babasiskuru abo baiboli abo kwana nena buri tukuregoro nigo bana banyarire bakoboli serikali kubwatuka kibese ujajiskuru ilioko sire birengo byejisemi asiskuru ejo bairete abana babakolengana baro nigo bateruna serikali yari kubwatuka kibese ejo kyabwango na bajisemi jiro jigosirwa asorongo rwa Gusii.
Katika shule ningeomba kusema kwamba walimu pongezi kwa kazi nzuri ambao mnaoifanya. Ndana kitu kingine, hawa wanafunzi wanaoenda kuingia katika kidato cha kwanza ningeomba waanze masomo ipasavyo. Ndana school fee naomba waweze kupata CDF kutoka chanzo chao mbalimbali. Ndani changamoto ambazo zingine ziko katika hii shule, ningeomba serikali peane pesa alafu ujenzi ikaweza kuendeleza.
Kitu nimeona kwa hii shule, serikali yetu ituongezee pesa, majengo ikue vizuri, rangi ipakwe vizuri, hata tukiingia ndani tunaona watoto wetu wako mahali pazuri. Serikali isaidie hii shule. Tunaomba serikali yetu iendelee kutuinua, inue hii shule kwa sababu ni shule mzuri.
Omoriki wekiombe kia gitenere tabalimu kianat korwa soro sagia Roma Bay nigabona mochiri serikali ye county yo nekero ya rekanebuna nigetegeko ke yengeria ya borokia bebirasi birie bikego se EZD kaukwana batukiwere nigabona mochiri serikali ya sabanyebodire buna go ikesi ko mwalimu yo so morokyo yo ekogerega sia okora nenene kwene kibuna abana abo bebire dibirie bikego se birasi bike na barobo banyorera masomo na gosuka ojibosyo.
There is a real difference between human beings and being human. They have not done whatever they have done with a human face. They are not being human. They are human beings. These very people are teaching our children and their children from the early years where they still have mucus on their noses, where they are still assisted on defecation. And these are the people who struggle with them. We hear they carried out some job evaluation. Does it mean their job evaluation revealed that these people are doing zero job?
Omunya kirogo bwe kiombe keri kyarostiwe no muraibwense nando kabero mu chief justice ya Kenya David Maraga nigabona nyareka atabuna nigobagendete gusangirie birengererio aho korwa sebyombe biriyo nyanyimbe likwena kibuna oroboti barachikubwata ko jeso muraibwense ngokorore meremo ayani gago chekerbono bagendete gweta chi county aho kerba gusangirie birengereri korwa sabanyanyimbo ali baganetie go se birengo biribirachiko chenjiwa ase kiombe keri kyabanyanyimbo.
Trust, because this is the president who talked about this for some time, and before even formed the committee, the task force. So we are going to make a report. We are even first and foremost, we are considering the previous reports that had been made by other task forces. We are going to look at them. We are even asking what part of those recommendations have not been implemented. So that we capture them. After we finish the report, we hand it to the president. There is what we call an implementation matrix. We are going to come up with a matrix to say that this recommendation be followed by so and so. We're not going to leave them general. So that they are effective, we are going to make recommendations and say so and so to follow up this. And even if there is need for timelines, we will set timelines.
Ekiombe keri yokorwa nyobo kurumi EACC gose Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission nigabano Kenya rege kubwatana ne serikali ye county ya Siaya irigokora ebirengo bibokurumi bigendete kwene kiwa sensemi ba ukwana sensemi yo ne wadebuna enjere ya mo ye county ikogendera anogokora obokurumi uribo kwene kiwa ase ensemi yo
is because our constitution sets very high principles of governance. Good governance transparency and accountability. And when you go to the chapter dealing with public finance, it requires that there should be prudent use of public finance.
Indeed, every public institution has a mandate. There are those who have a mandate to ensure that at recruitment, staff's documents are checked at that point. And as ESCC will continue partnering with the professional bodies and all the other commissions for higher education and all those who issue certificates, so that when officers are employed into institutions, they have the correct documents.
Umawaziri bw'obojanu imeyense ya Kenya Susan Wafula ni wanaterune serikali ya Kenya Kwanza gose serikali ngenda kubika mirobero yokwena kuna ngokini bale birengo by'obojanu asense ya Kenya kaukwana karanya adeka gotara sense meri ya Tharakanithi asinyagitali ya Chuka Level 5 ni gateruna serikali ngechikubatera ne county aho na bagavana eri kwena kuna ngokini bale birengo by'obojanu asiji county echu.
This good work we've done here as a county and the national government of a wonderful facility will not go into waste, because this hospital will be graded to level 5.
Since he directed, you and I, we have a very short time to work, because yeye ni mtu ambaye anasema na anahitaji majibu, anahitaji kuona action. So we have to work together to ensure that we achieve that. The areas that need improvement, they have been outlined. I think we had a prior report. We are going back to the ministry to work on that report and see how we assist you to meet the requirements. But happy also that the places that we have visited, your X-ray department, we have visited your theaters, and we have noted the management equipment services that you have. I have taken note of those that are up and running, and I would like to say then that is the way to go.
Hege kurege tindi nigo kia rurego chia semonto ndebwensi uratokeka kumusaro mwanu munyaruka asense ya Kenya kwa yakwana ayuno mawasiri wa gender Aisha Juma oibono nyaraka wate abuna umwanu munyaruka tigati kwebuna ali kiagera nigarorekane buna bantumba nanda bajakire kwebisa maiga na ujago korege korwe kia asense ya Kenya konende nigobona rurege kurekyo hege tindi
pie na niwape onyo ole wenu. Kitu ambacho ni cha muhimu sisi wetu tuzingatie ni kwamba serikali haina mchezo. Kauli mbiu ya Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya ni kwamba lazima ukeketaji ukomeshwe. Kwa hivyo ukipatikana ole wako.
It is also a human rights violation that we have tried so much to educate them that cutting a girl violates her human rights, violates her dignity as a woman, and puts her at risk of so many other factors that cannot be solved in one day.
Ayubano na aralenga ye Chinsa Isano na Ibere koneni ngoboli na kekoraga Chinsa 10 kwira na semese eriniko manyi hamona mange banandete wateke mina isko ya Gusii no kuboli kwa nagenda kulire miroberi andi Steve Rwansu kwa Gusii ekiage kana gita seni kyao ya chirengu mago koretera mangana mayibana ategere ku rukingo kwenye Chinse moja sugusu ili anyamo na bosongo genda kutubwatia sense media mitandao of Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News Digital kwa sense mo ya YouTube na bogo tonyora Ndizi TV News yoko nyachingaki na bogo tweet at Ndizi TV News wa karanga kia nigo to kare ndikire nsagire daika gwetera ase namba iyira seskini ya igora bucho Auta na irwena kibuna amangana ya gochiri wetera sense meri yumuntu webanyereryo ekera bigairi nyanjama aina kibuna maliogi ne chibicha gochira senjera ya bene na njina ko yaretera Brighton Makori.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii.
Maya kichiba sangu kuchira marita